Hello everyone. So my problem is this. My camera is not working. As you can see this is on and this is my system that is Lenovo IdeaPad C340 and it's not working. Then what I did, there are a lot of options that people are saying. Sometimes what you have to do, you have to switch on this F8 key. Okay, I am pressing this but still nothing happened. The other option is with the F1 and with the F8 combine press. Okay, I am combine pressing this one but still nothing happening. Okay, so what I did here, there is another option that people are saying that update your software and go to the device manager, something like that. I did that one also, but that not works for me. So you just try my one option, and if it's not work, then go for that device manager and there don't delete your software, update your software. Okay, so now I put my feedback here. So there is a lot of people who have the same issue and a lot of comments on that. So what I did here, okay, I was searching for that. Okay, if the people have not working their camera, then what people are doing. So I found one answer from here, and then what I did, I paste that link here. Okay, so now they are saying that okay, these are the solution, and these are solution from the engineer, Microsoft engineer. Okay, so they are saying that okay, I have the same issue. Yes, they are saying that okay, first check the lens. Of course we checked the lens, that is on. Then they are saying that okay, this one F8 key, of course that is also working for me. Like there is no one issue. Okay, third thing, they are saying that enable using Lenovo Vintage app. So of course if you are using Lenovo, so you have this Lenovo Vintage app. Okay, I opened this one, and guys, see, due to the security reason my camera is stopped from here. I didn't stop that. So my camera is stopped from here. So okay, see, I put it on. I don't think so I have to update anything, and now I will check my camera, but of course I have to put something on. Just guys, wait a while. Guys, why I am doing this? Because I don't want to. Okay, so now we are putting like this and see what happens. And guys, you can see that now my camera is working. Why I put this? Because I am not coming in front of camera, and of course I am shooting with my one hand and other is like this, so that's why. But see, my camera is working. Okay, thank you guys for watching this, and if you like my video, then subscribe my channel